Go to the Tools panel in Affinity Photo and select the Rectangle tool. Create a quick rectangle. Now I'm using red, you could use any colour. Then go to the Artistic Text tool and create some text. Select the Move tool and then go up here to Convert to Curves. Then go to the Group and expand that out. And I'm just going to drag those curves outside of the group. I'm going to delete the group. Now over here to the pen tool, and you can find the pen tool there, and then add a path, and it could be as jagged as you like. And you can set the mode to one of these ones. I'm going to use this one, the first one. You could keep it inside the rectangle, perfectly reasonable, but you can just all over the whole design. Now you can make it as complex as you like. I'm just going to go for a very quick design like that. Then select all of that, so all selected. Then go to Layer, down to Geometry, and then Divide. And you can see what happens. It breaks it apart. You've got all these designs now that you can select. So all these curves, just select them. Then you go over here to Swatches. You can find that in the View menu, Studio and Swatches. Just change the colour. Maybe just change the colour of the text, perfectly reasonable. Or maybe change the colour of the other parts as well. So select those ones and then change those. Now if you want to, you could of course apply exactly the same approach and break it apart even more using the pen tool. And also of course what you can do, you can always go here, it's just a layer, standard layer. You can always go to Effects, quickly add say 3D. So a 3D effect can be added just to that part. You can modify it, you can see there, click close. Create all kinds of different designs. Maybe decide I want to move that just slightly away, or maybe this slightly ajar. All those sort of things you can do with this design once it's broken apart using the feature that I've just shown, the Divide feature. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.